Imagine you are going on a run through your neighborhood. The sidewalk is pretty flat and consistent as you jog along. Now imagine you are going for a hike in the woods. The terrain is rocky as you climb and descend the boulders and hills. You may be asking yourself, what do hiking and jogging have to do with alarm limits? Just like our hiker climbing up and down different terrain, dynamic limits change based on the trending data we receive, while static limits stay the same, just like our jogger. So, which is better? Our hikers and joggers are both going to get a workout and stay healthy. Just like they need different shoes for different terrains, you will use different alarms for different tests. Ready to find out more? Check out our webinar on demand, Alarm Limits versus Trending, and learn all about the origins and sources of static limits, how to identify significant limitations and problems, and proper application of linear regression trending. Test oil. Remarkable in every way.